Hi, I'm Kathy with Level Up RN. In this video, I will be talking about paraphilic disorders. And if you have our Level Up RN psychiatric mental health nursing flashcards, I will be covering the very last flashcard in this deck. So if you have our deck, go ahead and pull out your card and follow along with me. Paraphilia is characterized by persistent sexual interests, urges, and behaviors that are unusual and atypical. A paraphilic disorder is when these interests, urges, and behaviors cause significant distress, impair functioning, and/or cause harm to others. So in nursing school, I would honestly just be familiar with the main paraphilic disorders and what they mean versus the details of each one of them. Exhibitionism is a paraphilic disorder where an individual derives sexual pleasure from exposing their genitals to others. Voyeurism is a disorder where an individual is aroused by observing an unsuspecting person undress or engage in sexual activity. Fetishism involves the use of inanimate objects for sexual pleasure, for example, rubber, leather, or shoes. And then frotteurism is when an individual rubs or touches their genitals against a non-consenting individual for sexual pleasure. Sexual sadism is characterized by sexual pleasure being derived from inflicting pain, humiliation, and suffering onto others. Whereas sexual masochism is when sexual pleasure is derived from being the recipient of pain, humiliation, or suffering. Pedophilia is defined as intense and recurrent sexual urges or behavior involving a prepubescent child, where the offender is 16 years old or older and the child is at least 5 years younger than the offender. So keep in mind that the psychiatric criteria for pedophilia is different than the legal criteria for statutory rape, which varies by state. All right, that is it for this video, and that wraps up our psychiatric mental health nursing playlist. I hope you found it to be super helpful, and I hope you do great on your nursing exams. Take care, good luck with studying, and thank you so much for watching. Where an individual is aroused by observing an We invite you to subscribe to our channel and share a link with your classmates and friends in nursing school. And if you found value in this video, be sure to hit that like button and let us know what you found to be particularly helpful.